Just say it. I'm stubborn 'cause I just won't walk away. If you're right and my heart's bound to break, that's a chance that we're gonna have to take. They say don't jump 'cause we're only gonna fall. How can you run when you never learn to walk? Isn't it better to love than to never love at all? I might be wrong, so I'm gonna jump, and I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna jump, I'm gonna jump. If love's a drug, then sign me up, I'm gonna jump. They say don't jump 'cause we're only gonna fall. How can you run when you never learn to walk? Isn't it better to love than to never love at all? I might be wrong, so I'm gonna jump, I'm gonna jump. They say don't jump 'cause we're only gonna fall. How can you run when you never learn to walk? Isn't it better to love than to never love at all? I might be wrong, so I'm gonna jump, I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna jump. If love's a drug, then sign me up, I'm gonna jump. I'm gonna jump, and I'm gonna fall.
Let's learn Crazy Jump. It's choreographed by Sala, Daniel Trepat, Tina Argyle, Jose Miguel, Belloque, Vane, and Gregory Danvoie. It is a 32 count, 4-wall improver level line dance with a tag on the end of wall 2. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the tag, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Crazy Jump. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto your left, and now we're going to quickly step back and out, right, left, and then step back with your right. You're going to rock back with your left foot, recover forward onto your right, and then shuffle forward with your left, stepping left, forward, right, together, left, forward. Let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your rock forward. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to step forward with our right foot. We're going to bounce both heels up, making a quarter turn over your left shoulder to face 9 o'clock, and then recover onto your right. We're now going to do a left coaster step, stepping your left foot back, step your right next to your left, and then step forward with your left foot. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock. And then we're going to do a half shuffle back, making a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, and then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're stepping with your right and doing your quarter bounce. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, doing a big step to the left and dragging your right toe into your left to face 6 o'clock. You're now going to cross rock your right over your left, recover onto your left foot. We're going to do a quarter turning chassé, stepping your right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, and then make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to do a kickball step, kicking your left foot low and forward, step your left next to your right, and then step your right foot slightly forward. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our half shuffle back. You're going to do your quarter side drag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto our right. We're now going to step our left next to our right, and as we step, you're going to flick your right foot back and then step forward with your right. We're now going to do a hitch scoot, or a little bit of a jump forward with a hitch. So we're going to bring that left knee up, and as we do that, we're going to do a small jump with our right, slightly traveling forward, and then step forward with your left. We're going to end the dance by doing a kickball step, kicking your right foot low and forward, step your right next to your left, and then step forward with your left, and then you're ready to start the dance over again. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our kickball step. You're going to do your rock, recover, together, flick. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your rock. It's rock, recover, back, out, out, back, rock, back, recover, shuffle forward. Step, quarter, bounce, left, coaster, step, step, half, pivot, half, shuffle, back, quarter, drag. Cross, rock, recover, quarter, chasse, kick, ball, step, rock, recover, back, flick, step, scoot, step, kick, ball, step. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, starting with your rock. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now when you do that hitch, you want to make sure that you're kind of slightly traveling forward, but it's mostly like a little bit of an upward motion, not a huge step forward. It does travel a lot, so the bigger that you take on that part, the more you're going to be forward in your rock. So just a little upward, little hoppy hitch for that section. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen on the end of wall 2. So you'll be facing 9 o'clock, you'll dance the full 32 counts to 6 o'clock, and then you're going to add on this tag. Weight's going to be on your left. We would have just done our kickball step. We're going to do a rock, half shuffle, rock, half shuffle. So we're going to rock forward with our right foot, recover back onto our left. We're going to do a half shuffle over our right shoulder, make a quarter turn, stepping your right foot to the right side, step your left next to your right, and then make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock. You're now going to rock forward with your left foot, recover back onto your right. You're going to do a half shuffle over your left shoulder, make a quarter turn, stepping your left foot to the left side, step your right next to your left, and then make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to return to 6 o'clock, and then you're ready to start the dance over again. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left. You're going to do your rock, half shuffle. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you would start all over with your rock, back, out, out, back. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance just so you can practice the transition from that tag into the next wall and kind of know how the dance flows. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your rock, back, out, out. Rock, recover, back, out, out. Back, rock, back, recover, shuffle forward. Step, quarter, bounce, left, coaster, step, step, half, pivot, half, shuffle, back, quarter, drag. Cross, rock, recover, quarter, chasse, kick, ball, step, rock, recover, back, flick, step, hitch, step, kick, ball, step. Now your rock 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Do your tag. It's rock, recover, half shuffle, rock, recover, half shuffle, start over. It's rock, recover, back, out, out, back, rock, back, recover, shuffle forward. Step, quarter, bounce, left, coaster, step, step, half, pivot, half, shuffle, back, quarter, drag. Cross, rock, recover, quarter, chasse, kick, ball, step, rock, recover, back, flick, step, hitch, step, kick, ball, step. Now your rock 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now there is a non-turning option for that second section. So instead of doing a half pivot, half shuffle back and your quarter to the side, you can substitute it by doing a quarter and your crossing shuffle and your drag. So that will be a good way to substitute it if you don't want to do the turn. It is listed on the step sheet, so for more details on that non-turning option, check out their step sheet. It tells you exactly what to do. So you, instead of making a half, you'll just make a quarter and do that section facing the side wall instead of turning all the way around, but please check the step sheet for that option. Now, the dance ends with your quarter turn bounce, but most of the videos, what they like to do is kind of do a big step to the side instead of doing the bounce. So if you end up just doing that bounce quarter turn, that's okay too, but a lot of people do that drag to end facing 12 o'clock. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Crazy Jump. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.